How to send a message to Roblox Support. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can contact the Roblox Support. It's a quick and simple process, so follow the steps. So I'm demonstrating this on my computer, but the process is the same on the phone. You need to open a web browser and search for Roblox Support, or you can just directly go to roblox.com and instead of home, replace it with support and hit enter. This will take you to the Contact Us or the Contact Information page where you need to first enter your username and your first name, which is optional, and then go ahead and enter your email address, which is associated with your Roblox account that you're using to play. Select the device you're having problem with, and then also select the type of help category, your sub-help category, and you need to describe your issue in this box and then tap on continue, which is highlighted in black color. Don't forget to type a detailed explanation of your problem and include all the relevant information to help Roblox understand and assist you. And this will send your message to Roblox Support and they will contact you within 24 to 48 hours. So this was all about it. I hope this helps you contact the Roblox Support. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.